Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how Facebook advertising is very helpful for your business and what is the Facebook advertising cost in Nepal. So I am Ali from alironads.com, and you can see my portfolio and you can see my work experience. Here you can see my successful campaigns that I recorded on my YouTube channel. So feel free to have, and if you are interested, just contact me through my business mail address, or this is my business mail address, admin@alironads.com, or you can connect through any social media account. So yeah, now let me show you why you should invest in Facebook advertising. So let me go to Facebook library report. So since September 2022, almost 1 year, within 1 year, and within 1 year in Nepal, advertisers spent around 1,79,447 dollars within 1 year. Let me calculate into Nepali rupees. 2,39,81,620 Nepali rupees have been spent on Facebook ads. So you can imagine the success of Facebook ads for your business. So yeah, so today I will discuss how I charge for Facebook ad service, Facebook advertising cost in Nepal. So this is the blog that I have written. You can go to and read about it. So basically, Facebook ads cost can be divided into two categories: Facebook marketing budget, your marketing budget, and service charge. And the service charge, I charge for one campaign 1 ad 1,000, for two campaign 2 ads 2,000, for three campaign 3 ads 3,000, and this is the services that you will get. So yeah, and no matter what your marketing budget is and what your marketing budget duration is, for one campaign 1 ad 1,000, for two campaign 2,000, within the same campaign extra 500 I charge, and one campaign hold each marketing goal. For example, if your marketing campaign is messaging apps, you cannot have another marketing objectives like lead generation within the same campaign. You need to create another campaign. And yeah, for those who don't have iCard, just get your iCard from your bank if you are serious about your business. And if you don't have an iCard, the freelancer or agency include the tax and your marketing budget plus service charge. So you need to pay for three things: service charge, which is for example 1,000 rupees, and the tax, 13% tax on your marketing. For example, if you plan to spend $10, so its 13% charge is 1.3 and 1,000 rupees plus service charge, which is 2,500 Nepali rupees around. So this is the way I charge. And in Nepal, various people, freelancers, agencies charge differently. For example, some charge based on dollar. For example, for $1 they will charge you 150 rupees or 135 rupees. Some might charge on a performance base, some might charge percentage on ad spend. So yeah, and this is the fixed charge that I charge, because for freelancers, most of the time a small businesses come for us, and for big businesses, they trust more on agency, and they have to sign a contract. So these things are very small prices. So that's why most of the small businesses uh, come towards freelancers. And yeah, no doubt we also pay taxes to government Nepal. So yeah, this is the Facebook advertising cost in Nepal, and you can always navigate to this link and read about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.